what's up YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Hey, if you're looking for a new startup business credit card, okay, and you're looking for a great credit union that doesn't use check system or doesn't pull check systems, then this video is for you. Now, the credit union I'm talking about is Service Credit Union, and the reason I like them is because they do a hard pull, and that hard pull lasts for 30 days. So that means that you can have multiple accounts using that one hard pull. So you may want to get a business credit card, which we're talking about, startup business credit cards, but you may also want to see if you can apply for a regular personal credit card as well as a personal loan. Again, because the hard pull lasts for 30 days. Now, here's some things that you do need to know. First is, how do you join? Well, the way to join, you would have to join the American Consumer Council. Okay, you join the American Consumer Council. Now, there's no hard pulls on membership, like I said, because you're trying to avoid having as many hard pulls as possible. Okay, now here's another thing you have to understand with their business credit cards. Okay, they do not report to the business credit bureaus. Is that a good thing or bad thing? Well, here's the thing about it. Granted, you're getting a business credit card, but because it doesn't report to the business credit bureau, then you're not building up your business credit file. But here's a suggestion that I would encourage you to do. I would still join them, okay? But at the same time, I would join one of the gatekeepers, okay? And what I mean by gatekeepers, I'm talking about the major banks, like American Express that reports to Small Business Financial Exchange, Capital One reports to Experian, Equifax, Small Business Financial Exchange, and that information shared with Dun Bradstreet. You have Chase Bank that reports to Experian, Equifax, Small Business Exchange, and shares with Dun and Bradstreet. Okay, so those are some of the gatekeepers. Now, reason I'm telling you that, because if you open up an account with the gatekeepers, here's the thing about it. Once you open up the account with the gatekeepers and start making weekly deposits, don't do bi-weekly, don't do monthly with the gatekeepers. What you want to do, you want to do weekly deposits. All right, now what you're doing it building an internal relationship with the gatekeepers as well. Okay, and so this will open up the gates so that you're able to get a business credit card with them as well. Now, again, the gatekeepers, they don't pull your Dun and Bradstreet file, because I know a lot of people worry about, well, do I have to have a Dun's number? Do I have to have a Paydex score? You know, do I have to have net 30s and stuff? Even with your gatekeepers, they don't focus on that. They focus on business activity. All right. So going back to Service Credit Union, business credit card. Now, here's the thing about with Service, they pull your Experian Mortgage FICO too. Now, some of you are probably scratching your head, like, your mortgage score, why would they pull your mortgage score? Well, again, like I told you, all credit unions as well as banks, they don't pull from the same lending institutions, okay? And that's very important. Sorry guys, it's windy out here, so you have to excuse me. But if you don't know what your mortgage to FICO score is, if you're trying to join this credit union, you want to try to apply, I would tell you to click the link in the description, get your real credit file, okay? Schedule one-on-one consultation so I can explain to you how to leverage your FICO scores. That's the reason I told you have multiple FICO scores. And this is one of those credit unions. Again, they don't use FICO 8, they don't use FICO 9, they use your Experian Mortgage 2, okay? So that way you'll be more prepared. Now, understanding that, I would tell you to gardening your relationship with them. And what that means is, when you get accepted, I would probably consider maybe, especially if you're trying to get larger lines of credit or credit card limits and stuff like that, I would tell you to possibly open up a personal account and a savings account with them as well. All right, and do weekly deposits with them also. Okay, now, like I said, this is a good credit union, again, like I said, when you're trying to get their business credit card, and again, because you can get this as a startup business like a LLC, I would probably build a relationship with them so I can get larger lines of credit as well. All right. Now, if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.